In this presentation, I am going to differentiate between IMF and World Bank Group. Both the organizations are international financial institutes and their work is also similar. Let's see what's the difference between them. The IMF works with all the developed as well as developing countries to stabilize the monetary system and monitors the currency flow in the world. IMF makes sure the exchange rate of international currencies to be stable and encourages global trade. Whereas World Bank Group works with the poor and low income countries to reduce poverty and increase shared prosperity. The IMF monitors the global economy and lends money to the countries facing the balance of payments difficulties. In other words, IMF provides short term loans to the countries struggling to pay their debt, whereas World Bank Group provides financial assistance, technical assistance, and policy advice to the member country's government. It also helps to strengthen the private sector in developing countries. The headquarters of both the organizations are situated in the same city, Washington, D.C., United States. And the interesting fact, the headquarters of the IMF and the World Bank Group are situated across the street in the same city in Washington, D.C., United States. Both the organizations has same number of member countries. The employee of the International Monetary Fund are 2,500, whereas the employee of the World Bank Group are 10,000. The IMF is funded by the member countries, whereas the World Bank Group is funded by the issuing bonds. So the final conclusion is that both the organizations, IMF and the World Bank Group, promote a stable global economy, higher living standards, reducing poverty, and saves countries from the economic crisis. That's it for now. We will come back with a different topic. Till then, keep watching Narvi Academy.